Hello everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a quick drive in this 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata Grand Touring. So this vehicle has a 6-speed automatic. A manual transmission definitely fits this car better in my opinion. It's a lot more fun, but not everybody can drive a manual. So if you want an automatic Miata, you get the Grand Touring. The Club and the Sport models come with a 6-speed manual, and if you want the automatic, you got to go with this one. You have 181 horsepower in this vehicle, and the top, it's not power. You pull this little tab and pull it back using these little handles right there, and then once you want to put the top back on, you pull this little tab and pull the top. You have 2 cup holders over there as well, and a little lock box if you want to put some stuff over there. But yeah, this car, you definitely have to be a smaller person to fit comfortably in it. And I'm 6'1" and I can barely fit in here. Like, my legs are absolutely crunched right now. So I think, like, people above 6 feet, it's definitely really hard to fit in this car. But this is definitely a nice weekend car if you want to enjoy some good weather. I've driven the manuals, they're really fun. The car barely weighs anything, right? And all the power, even though it only has 181 horsepower, the power is very usable with the manual. And the manual is very notchy, and the clutch is pretty easy to use, even for a beginner. You can learn how to drive a Miata pretty quickly. It's a nice car, and I like the way it looks. This interior, it's pretty high quality. Other than the fact that I can barely fit in here, the seat is at least comfortable, not like made of foam or something like that. And as I said, I really like the interior color in this car. It's really nice. Yeah, this is definitely, I can never, it's really hard to daily drive this car for sure, I would say, if you're tall. I just can't imagine daily driving this car. I can barely fit. But with the manual transmission, even this automatic's not bad at all. Like, for 181 horsepower, the pickup is pretty good. It's because the car is so small, right? I like it. Yeah, the pickup's good. No complaints on that. Let's stick this thing in sport mode. See how it does there. The screen is kind of small. Oh, it is a touchscreen. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty bare bones. There's really nothing much on it. Yeah, that is not bad. This thing's pretty quick. I'm very shocked with 181 horsepower for it to be this quick. And that's what I'm saying, with the manual trends, like, you can sling this thing around corners. Super fun. Like, the shift knob even looks like, the shifter even looks like a manual shifter, which is funny. It just has a little button on the top. Engine noise is a little loud in here. Not too surprising, but yeah. And obviously, as you'd expect, the handling in this thing is amazing. That's what this car's made for fun driving. Transmission's quick to respond, which is nice. The lane departure warning is kind of annoying. It's too sensitive because I'm not really straying over the lane that much, but it just keeps on saying, yeah. So let's pull the top down real quick so I can show you all how that looks like. You know what? I gotta use two hands for that. But it's pretty easy. Take my word for it. Small car. Wheels look nice. Soft top, of course. Yeah, definitely a nice weekend car to just sling around the corners and enjoy the good weather. I really like this color combo. It's quite beautiful. But anyways, that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.